Purchase IHG Points. Purchasing IHG One Rewards points can be a strategic way to enhance your travel experiences, especially when you're close to a desired redemption or during promotional periods. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. How to purchase IHG Points. Log in, access your IHG One Rewards account through the official website. Navigate to purchase, find the Buy Points section within your account dashboard. Select quantity. Choose the number of points you wish to buy in increments of 1,000. Complete transaction. Proceed with payment using a valid credit or debit card. Pricing. Details. Standard rate. Points are typically priced at 1 cent per point, with a minimum purchase of 1,000 points. Annual limit. Members can purchase up to 150,000 points per calendar year, though this limit may increase during special promotions. Promotional offers. IHG frequently offers promotions, such as a 100% bonus, effectively reducing the cost to 0.5 cents per point. For example, during a recent promotion, members could purchase up to 200,000 points and receive a total of 400,000 points with the bonus. When to consider buying points? Specific redemptions. If you're close to the points needed for a particular stay, purchasing the remaining points can be cost-effective. High-value stays. For luxury properties where cash rates are high, redeeming points, especially purchased during promotions, can offer significant value. Cautions. Avoid speculative purchases. It's generally not advisable to buy points without a specific plan, as the value proposition may diminish over time. Non-refundable. Purchase points are typically non-refundable, so ensure you have a clear redemption strategy. Alternative ways to earn points. Stays at IHG properties. Earn points through eligible stays. Credit card partnerships. Utilize co-branded credit cards that offer points for everyday spending. Promotional offers. Participate in IHG's various promotions to accumulate additional points. By understanding the purchasing process and strategically planning your redemptions, you can maximize the value of IHG One Rewards points to enhance your travel experiences.